Hello guys, in this series I'm sharing my experience of making $1 million on YouTube. I hope my journey can inspire you and we can all learn from my mistakes. Today is day 6 and we are at 0.006%. So let's see what happened on day 6. Our spendings are still at 0, so we do not have to deduct that, and our AdSense revenue on day 6 is $65.6. And our top comment of the day is still empty. If you have any ideas that we should try, leave them in the comments and we are going to implement the most liked one. So let's see the YouTube Studio, how our channel is growing. So in the last 48 hours, our real-time watchings are at 5,247 right now. These are our most watched videos in this period, and let's see what happens in this hour, in the last 60 minutes. So we have 116 views, which is quite good for our channel. That means that we almost received 2 views per minute, which is great. These are the most popular videos in this hour. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, check out this playlist to see more of our episodes, to follow our journey, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.